badness a chop. New recruiter try fi broke him duck. Can't get squawk so him gets the shot and bust him wing by bad cut out him boy.
Blam them I got dead soon youth. So go on itch up on live with blam them and make blam them a call up some man named Tia yeah about rape. You think me now watch you? Me I watch you and I say watch you. The boy are real friends.
Blam them.
Evil run friend either. Me I try show you say. Blam them.
Mother, you don't run already, boy.
Blam them are informer and you make clear screen record.
Can't hear you. Suck your dead mama. Give me.
Niah Gang situation, brother. I tell you, when I put one more out of ground and talk, I'm not afraid of no man. See a man them run and kill him. You hear that? That's how I tell some man. So when you make money, don't try to be not done in those type of place in work.
So when you're live on TikTok, especially when you're outside, it is like working at a gas station. So when I say, everybody can know your location. Careful. Careful of people and when you disrespect. Careful of things and when you say.
Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much violence in the place.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Line and line, I speak up on yourself. Welcome to Lion TV, another man of peace. I will set the violence off the streets, living love and unity and strength. So me I say, thank you all for your continuous support. You see me? Brand new week. Give thanks and praise to the Most High that we all live to see it. Anybody we are watching vlog you now, long life and prosperity. You hear that? Yeah, man. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. Viewers and subscribers, this is a follow-up relating to Niah Gang, the TikToker who lost his life, live on his live. Condolence against to his families, loved ones, and his little daughter. You see me? See some more videos where one of his alleged cousin is speaking or saying a man from his community did it. And also we have a positive message from another artist, and I mean Chung Star. Big up yourself. I said the same thing on me yesterday, basically. Think before you act who you are this bank, TikTok and all of them things there, you know, and so secure your location where you're there. That's what I say. And nobody knows safe. Is it? Yeah, man. We also have our next video where Niah was also getting warned by another TikToker. And in this, the one on the live same way too. So, boy, I tell you now. But we're going to break it down again and again. We're going to interject. So, be up on yourself. We are forward. Said? Yeah, man.
No love now show up badness a chop. New recruiter try fi broke him duck. Can't get squawk so him gets the shot and bust him wing by bad cut out him boy. Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much violence in the place.
Yes, man, we're tired and fed up of the crime and violence. Yes, so I say back to White Wing, Cockburn Pen, Bell Rock, Painland, Crescent Road, Mangostone, Maryland, all of them garrison, 11, 12, 13, Kingston, Jamaica, Mobile, where to stop the crime, man. People, viewers and subscribers, we're tired and fed up of it. It's a single from my EP, Welcome to Kingston. So you can go check it out over my page. Saying I American. Give the support to Music Commando. Saying, yeah man, support the artist for 2025. That's what I say. Alright, so we can kick off the vlog again now.
Screen record catch you with batty boy blam them where call up be a killer name and come like you don't have no sense. You know say blam them are informer. Blam them I got dead soon youth. So go on itch up on live with blam them and make blam them a call up some man named Tia yeah about rape. You think me now watch you? Me I watch you and I say watch you. The boy are real friends.
So once again, this is another individual. Our Niah Gang. Say yo, stop calling people names. Stop follow blam them. I don't know who is blam them, but blam them better watch himself. You see me? Yeah, so Niah was being warned again for stop calling people name on the ground, on the social media, on the TikTok. You see me? He was being warned by another individual, you know. So I must let's talk come off.
Them a man, bro.
No, blam them a informer dog. You can't make screen recorder catch you with them boy the youth. That me I try to tell you, my dog.
Alright, but the general man, you have to be careful. Once you turn on the live, then start the live, you have to be careful what you're saying because people are watching, people are screen recording. So if you're more slip or you're threatening somebody or this and that, people can go show your enemies and then that's where you know the premiums have come from. So the brother have a point. Say yo, and you tell warn him, you know. Blam them, don't follow blam them. I don't know who blam them is, but blam them. Be careful and watch yourself, Papa.
Me evil a run friend either. Me I try show you say, blam
Suck your
them,
mother, you done run already, boy.
blam them a
Let me mute your
informer,
bum
and you make
buckler.
be a
Me not
screen
like your
record.
pussy. Can't hear you. Suck your dead mama. Give me that the man show you must stubborn.
Alright, you see, yes or no? Alone disrespect that again, you know, to the brother, yeah, you know. Different from the next set of two man, the way that want him, you know. Cause you see, he mute the man, and he tell the man to go S him dead mother. No, this was a screen record, where somebody screen record. So, him, we are wanting no see this, and would I in feelings too? So nobody know where it a come from, you see me? Where Niah Gang, demise a come from. You have to be careful.
Batty boy that man. Suck your mother again, boy.
Fresh in a go, chip on the Panama.
And a 64 yesterday, boy, run.
Man. Yeah,
You
man.
still get the 6 dog.
That's your cat.
If you run or if you ain't run. A him run. A 6 pussy you lose.
Fresh in a go, chip on the
Suck your
Panama.
mother.
You must say this again alone. Disrespect this, you know.
Suck your
He
mother
mute the
again,
man
boy.
and I tell the man about his mother, his dead mother.
Chip on the
You see
Panama.
me? And he
And a
come off
64 yesterday, boy, run.
as disrespectful,
You
even though
still
he,
get the
he
6
might
dog.
not mean nothing. You see me? I
If
say,
you run or if you
all for the
ain't run.
TikTok lion and the
A
money
him
gun
run.
and
A
all of them
6
things there.
pussy you lose.
So the brother, yeah, watch back this now. He might
Suck
in
your
him
mother.
feelings. I mute the man and the man gonna never know. So him get mute
Suck your
neither, you know.
mother again, boy.
You see me? He mute the man and him a
Go,
diss
chip
the
on
man
the
and nah
Panama.
take either way the man I say.
And a
Stop make
64
man
yesterday, boy,
call
run.
up my name on the
You
gram and
still
with
get the
other
6
man who
dog.
them deemed as
If
informer.
you run or if you ain't
So
run.
my viewers and subscribers, me don't know
A
your
him run.
style,
A
but
6
you
pussy
know.
you lose.
RIP to Niah again,
Suck
you
your
know what I
mother.
mean? And I just say, you know, you have to be careful, use make on the money and wise up.
Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much violence in the place.
Okay, my people, we tired and fed up by it. Please go check out the music video there. By I'm Eric. Saying now, leave a comment, let me know what you think of the lyrics. Listen to the words on the lyrics. A true story right that song you're saying. Yeah, man. Anyway, Niah cousin, one of Niah's alleged cousins speak out on the matter, and he must say, yo, him feel like a man in the community do it, you know, bad mind and near some gang thing like Niah want to be done or something. Me don't know, but have a listen and let me know what you think.
One evil fuckery, dog. One evil fuckery. Niah Gang situation, brother. Me I tell you now, when I put one more out of ground and talk, I'm not afraid of no man. See a man them run and kill him.
So this is said to be one of Niah's cousin. I don't know. The video out there in a public space, that's why we are bringing across. You know what I mean? I know everything we are trying to get. What are the bad we are trying to bring the good reasoning, you know? Yeah, man. So he must say, I see a man from around there do it. So maybe a man from the area do it, you know? We know him, you see me? And then the outside man. We don't know.
Yeah, that's how we tell someone. You see, when you make money, don't try to be not done in those type of place in a work.
People Martin listen keenly to the words what the brother you use, and it look like he might talk sense. You know, it must say when you listen to keywords, when you make money, don't try to be no done in the garage it no work. Because bad man gonna come from both sides. You see me? I'm gonna go and get you because them I say you fund the badness or you are buy the shot or you are this or you are do that. Is it?
Not done around all over. And every lane, use them. One be leader, you have two different lane. And you see have two different man around it. And me no see no money I make. Me no see no vibration, nothing positive I go on. I be a killing. That's where I go on around this from 1993. From 990s. May I tell you that. Hear that anybody where I make money, then gun them down and I be a bad mind and evil people. Live around this brother.
Again, I really think man I saw every garrison in Jamaica I said when the youths them wanna be done and when I done dead the next youth turn to become dad, you know? It's like me have a song I say I'm a voice with DJ wanted, you know. Me I say, look listen uno will learn, play enough fire uno must get burned. Why make when I done dead the thing is your turn? Forgive out others who forget crushed like worm. You see me? So when the brother say I really think man the garrison, some people don't like to say elevate. Once you start make money, you become enemies, you're gonna be branded as a dan. So this you have to know if you monitor your movements in the garrison. You don't have to be the dan man. Just be peaceful and happy with everybody and share the food if you want to share the food. But don't take up that danship role. Once you pick up that danship role, your life is in trouble. Bad man a come for you, friend a set up your life, or police a come for you. Real talk.
I see him youth them run they kill him. See him people them run there. I just wait for a specific time for you or somebody argue on TikTok for say people have a TikTok killer. No, he's nobody have a TikTok. See a man them way on them argue over a couple months ago. And them touch you. Them same one touch you, they watch you and touch you. And the youth beside you know how we do it. You know see it.
Yes, man, the same thing. Me I said to you in my first video I did for this one. Before this one, I said, you know, most of you do not with the two youth, them, the two brothers them where I want him and one I threaten him. You see me? I can different angle to come off about man just see this moment for pounce up and take the advantage. So the blame go upon them youth there. And I can them youth the same way. Me no know, but we are trying to break it down and speak facts and sense, you know? Yeah, man. Me have a cousin go to last season the same way. You know what I mean? Him and a man kick off and him threaten the man and the man lost him life. And then the blame go upon my cousin, and my cousin end up losing life. Retaliation, you know? Innocently, but I said the world run, you know what I mean? But the brother said the youth was sit alongside of Niah when the accident go on, him know about it. Me don't know now why him I say that, but him must know where him know still, is it? Wanna take my viewers and subscribers?
You see a man around the hill, man. A time, man. And touch your dog. I was just sorry if you know. And everybody are gonna know how you see it. Not hide around this.
Yes, man, I said the garrison run, man. Nothing to hide, man. All a week, 2 week, or couple days after you hear your name start call, you know? But rest in peace, Niah, and condolence to your you know, to the families and your daughter where you gone left. Yes, so me I said the youth them have to just wise up and make on the money and stop trying to diss people and stop trying to be a Dan. Dan shit no work. You see? Yeah, man. But anyway, we have an artist who goes by the name of Star, bad artist. Also, I give some advice on the matter on TikTok. So have a listen.
So when you're live on TikTok, especially when you're outside, it is like working at a gas station. So when I say, everybody can know your location. Careful. Careful of people and when you disrespect. Careful of things them when you say. When you see some people group up on 4-way or in a box, certain things you low alone. You don't know what screen you card, you don't know what watch from the outside. You don't know when a ghost mode. See what I say? And remember, nobody on TikTok, if it's not people you grow with, they're not a real friend. They will sell you out for a rose, a lion, a money gun. You see what I say? A universe. So careful what you do. Careful of things that you say. I better you mute a person when they try start problem with you. Exit the match. You could have 1,000,000 nuggets. Your life worth more than the nuggets. Your life value more than TikTok. So what I say? Seal it, seal.
Yes, man, when I hear the artist say, I see, someone sneezed while he was talking, you know? And again, you must say what me are saying, be careful on TikTok what you say, we are disrespect and calling the people name. That's the end of the show. Big up on yourself.
Boy, me tired and me fed up of it. Too much violence in the place.